पयलीं स्वागत तुमकां देव बरें करूं. हांव पर्टिक्युलर ऑफ केपें कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी लागून उलयतां. आमगे बेतूल पोर्ट लिमीट आहा आनी जो बेतूल पोर्ट लिमीट आहा तें एज विलेजर्स ऑफ बेतूल आनी केपें ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ देम आय वॉन्ट टू टेल द गव्हर्मेंट सरकाराक सांगूं सोदता हे पोर्ट लिमीट टू बेतूल लिमीट आहा तें काडपा जाय. तें आमकां नाका because it will destroy the whole Betul village, the whole coastline of Betul. आणि आमगेले बेतूल हे इसली घोरां आहे आणि आमगेले ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन आहे. सो समज तरी हें तरी पोर्ट लिमीट आपसून थिंग बेतूल येयलें जाल्यार आमगे बारीक खारवी जो आमगे भाव आहे तांकां हें त्रास जातले आनी हें सारकें सगळें तेगेलें लिवींग आहा तें सगळें काबार जावन वयतलें. सो म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट आनी हांव म्हाका सांगूंक सोदतां जेन्ना आमगेलो डेप्युटी चीफ मिनिस्टर सारको आमगेलो सारको बेतूल रावता ऑलमोस्ट बेतूल टचिंग द शो थिंग रावता तेणें हेजेर बारीकशी नदर मारपा जाय आनी म्हाका दिसता तेणें आमकां हेल्प करून पोर्ट लिमीट जो आहा आमगेलें बेतूल आहा तें काडचें. थँक्यू.
Genuinely appeal to the government. Listen to the people. Don't rush through. This is a tamasha that is going on right now. As of yesterday, if I may say, about 700 people had registered online. Today, on the spot registration, speakers has gone to, my number is 955. Now you tell me, when are you going to be able, assume it ends at 1,000. When are you going to be able to hear these 1,700 people? If you're seriously interested in hearing them, when are you going to hear them? They have, according to what I've been told, this is supposed to be a continuous process that started in the morning, will continue the whole night, continue tomorrow also if required. Can you believe this type of things happening here? And in the monsoons, one side you talk of section 144. When it comes to a government function, there is no section 144. Comes to a government function, any amount of crowd can gather. See the way the chairs have been put. Have they kept your, have they observed?
And representative of people of Puducherry. And plus it's my duty to come here to put our say. We have already given our saying. I'm Deepak Arana. We have already given our objection. So let people talk. It is a people say. Let people talk. And one thing is sure that we will even in the assembly and outside we will object to that. Now court and decision Dilman आज डाला actually.
This has to be taken into consideration, then only government can conduct the hearing. We have already registered on behalf of my party president Vijay Sardesai and our party have come here. We will also raise our protest and say that a new CZMP draft should be prepared by taking all the local bodies into confidence and also take that CZMP draft which the panchayats have given. And then only you can go ahead with the hearing and then you conduct a hearing, then no one will have a problem. But here Pramod Sawant government is trying to bulldoze the voice because elections are approaching in the next 6 months and they are trying to collect as much as funds for their personal gains as well as for the party by bulldozing and going ahead with CZMP hearing so that they can satisfy the coal lobby and the Delhi lobby who have bought huge tracts of land in the state. And we will not allow this to happen. We will register our protest. We have already sent an email to GCZMA yesterday and we will register our protest here also.